Guys, this is the smoker. Ayan. Our big smoker and our big gas grill. So, dalawa ang gas grill. Mayroong maliit. Mayroong malaki na gas grill. Mayroong malaki na smoker. And mayroon kaming maliit na gas grill and smoker.
Tata's toy.
And Tata's toy, the boat. Oh, boat. Ito yung aming payag dito sa Amerika, guys, no? That's my garden. So, excuse me the kalat-kalat because Honey is cleaning up his garage. He did a good job here, no? Marami po kasing gamit si Honey. So, ako guys, hindi ako yung naglilinis-linis na hindi ako magpaalam ni Honey kasi ako kasi pag maglinis, pag alam kong medyo ano na itatapon ko, kailangan pala ng hobby ko yon. So, I need to fix those Tata's garden because I don't really see the name. It's like, you know, where is the paint, Honeys? So that I can, yeah, the name, my name there. Something, yan. So, ito guys, ito yung garage namin. Oo. Ayan. So, itutour ko kayo. Honey, is this, Can I open a truck?
Oh, you know how.
Wow! Ito yung truck namin, guys. Oh, sorry, mabango sa loob. Wala tong, ito. Tagal na naman hindi nagamit, pero look at that one, guys, Ito yung garage namin. Ito yung garage namin. Ito yung truck namin na Honey Piso. Okay? Oo. Ito yun siya, guys. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Yan ang piso ni My Love na paborito niya. Andun pala yung sunglasses ko na hinahanap ko. Where is my sunglasses? So, ito yung aming truck. Ito yung ginagamit namin usually pag mag-travel kami in the other state. Ito maluwag ang ito yung niya, Kasi matagal na namin hindi nagamit. Nakaupo lang siya dito, nakatambay, diba? Yan, mabango. Pag nasa loob ka, mabango. Kasi, inalagaan ni My Love. Mauna yung paborito nga truck, no? Mauna yung baby. Diba? So, magawas na ta. Mauna yung among garage. Kaning garage na nga. Kaning garage there is Amerika. Mura man nagbalay nas Pilipinas, ba? Ingani gadato ang Amerika, guys, no? So, mauna yung toolbox ni Honey. Kasi yung green toolbox, nahulog man, no? Gipunit, ambot kinsay nakapunit. So, bye-bye mga guys!